Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. So let's get right into this video. iMethod Beauty sent me their summer gel polish collection, which is called Staycation, and these are the items that I got in the box. So there's the contact information with all of their social medias, as well as an informational card on how to apply the gel polishes properly and the different gel polish collections they have. I have the holiday collection as well. They sent me that last year, I believe. I will link to that video in the cards. Now, the gel polishes that they sent are really nice. The colors are not neon colors as I would assume, since it's a summer collection. It's more of a pastel colors to me, and they are so nice. So I'm going to swatch the colors, and I only did one coat which reached full opacity, but I would still do 2 coats just because I prefer that. But the colors are really pretty, I must say. I also top coated the swatches off camera. So today I'll be doing some press-on nails. It's been a few years since I last did press-on nails. That's actually how I started off. Well, no, I started off going to the salon doing acrylic nails, but I stopped, and that's a long story. So after that, I started buying press-on nails. Then I thought to myself, I could do this myself. And I did. I started making my own press-on nails, but they never could stay on for only like a few hours and then they popped off. But I used to use glue, so that's probably why I never thought to use gel. So maybe if I had used gel it would have stayed on, I don't know. But yeah, I decided to try doing press-on nails again and see if I still got it. So I purchased the Saviland full coverage nails, the nail holder and the Fun-Tak on Amazon. So I went ahead and assembled it off camera to save time. I also marked out which nail would fit which finger on the container, so I wouldn't have to do this again. Okay, so I'm going to file the nails to remove the shine so that the gel polishes can adhere to the nails. I'll be using this nude gel polish that I got from the Christmas collection. This is going to be the base color. I did 2 coats on all of the nails and cured for 30 seconds in between layers. I'll only be showing one layer. I'd also like to say thank you for 10,000 subscribers. I'm just blown away by this. It's great to see that you guys like my content. I'm trying to organize some giveaways, hoping to do it soon, but it's a lot of work, so bear with me until I figure this out. I'm not good with organizing these things, but I just want to say thank you, thank you, thank you. I really never thought I'd reach 10,000. Maybe 1,000, yes, but never 10,000. This is crazy. I don't even know 10,000 people in real life. Wow. Anyway, so thanks to all of you who have subscribed. Stay subscribed and watch my videos, like, comment, all those things. Thank you very much. I appreciate each and every one of you. So now I'm starting with a green gel polish and I'm doing a side French type of nail. I don't know what to call it, but each nail is going to be a different color and I think they came out really nice. So let me know in the comments what y'all think. I had to measure to ensure that I wasn't doing the design too high or too low. So that's why you see me measuring it on my natural nails. I also ensured that the design on each nail was the same height. So I measured it to all of the nails or all of the other press-on nails, if that makes any sense, but you will see me doing it, so it should make sense. The green is the only one I had to do 2 layers on, the rest was 1 layer. The first layer of the green came out a little streaky, that's why I did a second. Same thing on all of the nails with the different colors. So I'd let you guys watch it because I like watching nail art being done. It's so therapeutic to me. Some of y'all may understand, so I hope this isn't going to be boring for you guys. So I'd let you guys watch. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you like these videos. Let me know what you think if you want me to continue doing press-on nails. I wouldn't do it often, but you know, ever so often I might do it. Okay, so these are all the completed press-on nails. Now I top coated the nails and cured for 30 seconds. Okay, now I'm going to be applying them to my nails. I wasn't sure if y'all would want to see the process of this or not. I wanted to edit all of this out, but I thought I'd keep it in just in case. What y'all didn't see was the basic nail prep I do in most of my videos, where I push back the cuticles, use a cuticle bit, cut the dead cuticle skin, file the nails to remove the shine and all of that. And then I'm using my Beauty prep to dehydrate the nails. Next I use Mani Boss Peel Base because I don't want these nails on for too long and I wait for it to dry. Next I'm using a base coat to apply the press-ons. This was a mistake, but I rectified this by using Mother One's gel glue. The base coat wasn't working at all. I also forgot to etch the inside of the thumbnails so that the press-ons could adhere better, but I did it for the rest of the nails. Okay, so this is how the nails look. I'm just wiping the nails with some rubbing alcohol. The apex on this nail tip is so nice. I decided to apply some more top coat because the nails needed it and I cured for 30 seconds. Then I applied cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nails. So let me know what you guys think about these press-on nails. These iMethod Beauty Gel Polishes were really nice and fun. Check them out. I would have a link to the gel polishes in the description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.